Dragon Tail Mizuchi. Highly recommend this rod. I can't say enough good things about this rod. I'm new to Tenkara. I've been doing it for less than a year. But whether you're new or you've been doing it a while, this rod is outstanding. This rod will increase your confidence on the hook set. This rod's great in cover, as you can see. It's just a great rod. The response is great. Small fish feel like big fish. Decent sized fish feel like whales. It's an outstanding rod. Highly recommend it.